Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys on how to get all of the new duffel bags in GTA 5 Online for the new Los Santos Tuners DLC. Now the last video I posted on the duffel bags was on how to get 2 of the Los Santos Tuners DLC duffel bags, but on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get each and every single one of them, alright? So if this here does end up working for you, can you go ahead and comment down below so new people that watch the video can know that the glitch still works, and they can also go ahead and try it out and get all of the new Los Santos Tuners DLC duffel bags in GTA 5 Online. And if you are new to the channel, can you go ahead and do me a quick favor? If you do end up getting any of these duffel bags, can you go ahead and hit that subscribe button with notifications on to never miss out on our future video? And now let's get into the first duffel bag. Now to start off for the first duffel bag, all you want to do is head up to your auto shop where the contracts are, and all you want to do is come over to this board and press right D-pad on it. Now all you want to do is go ahead and start the job that's called the ECU job. Now if you don't have it on your board, just go ahead and start any random one, complete that contract, or you can cancel it through your phone and then see if you have the ECU job on your board. But once you have the ECU job on your board, all you want to do is go ahead and start that contract. And all you want to do is go and start this first job that's right here called a train inventory. Okay, start that one up. Now if you don't own the auto shop, you can also have a friend or a random person to run this job for you. So if you don't own it, you can also have someone else that can do this job for you. Now once you go and start the job up, all you want to do is head over to the location that they show you and pretty much just do like the steps that they show you what to do, like go shoot this person, look for that basically. Alright, so I'll go and cut to the part when I do get the duffel bag. So here we go. I'm about to go ahead and get the duffel bag, which is located right here. So once you finish like all of like the other junk and all that, like you gotta take a picture of this and all that, you get the duffel bag at the end, and all you want to do is go ahead, steal the duffel bag, and pretty much take it back to your auto shop. Now before you do that, all you want to do is go ahead and do these steps I'm about to show you. Okay, so get into a vehicle that can fly, such as a Mark II oppressor, regular oppressor, helicopter, deluxo, jetpack, anything that can fly, get into it. Alright, and once you get into it, head over to the general direction of your auto shop. Once you've done that, all you want to do once you're like a high enough distance, jump off your Mark II oppressor or anything that can fly, and all you want to do is line yourself up with the parachute onto the yellow circle you see right there. You see that yellow circle on my auto shop garage? Pretty much you want to land right on it, okay, or like slam right into your garage door. So you basically want to do that just like what I did right here, and if you did it correctly, then you should be good. But if you messed up, you can try it again, okay? But yeah, once you've done that, you should spawn back into your auto shop just like this, and you should see like that little duffel bag. So once you're back inside of the auto shop, all you want to do is open up your map, and all you want to do is pretty much head over to any gun store around the map. It does not matter which one, it can be anyone, but I highly recommend for you to go to this one right here because it's closer to the beach and we need that for later on for the glitch. So yeah, now once you arrive at the gun store, all you want to do is pretty much just go inside and head over to this man right here, like the cashier dude. Head over to him, press right D-pad, and once you're here, all you want to do is go over to the left side where the parachutes are right here. There we go. Come over to parachute bags at the very bottom, and once you pick parachute bags, keep on scrolling down until you find the Israeli parachute bag, right? So keep on scrolling down until you find, there you go. So once you have the parachute bag right here, all you want to do is pretty much back out, come over to your interaction menu, come over to style, wait, this is inventory, let me back out, come over to style right here, and all you want to do is go and turn the parachute on, right? Once you have this done, all you want to do now is head over to the mask shop at the Vespucci beach right here. So it's located right over here. So this is where the mask shop is located at. So head over there, and now before you do head over there, call up a vehicle that can fly, such as a Mark II oppressor, helicopter, deluxe, or anything that can fly. Call it up right now before we do the next part. Now once you're on your flying vehicle, all you want to do is fly like a high enough distance where you're like able to open up your parachute while you're still far away from the ground. So like basically what I'm doing right now, like this same distance. Now get the vehicle that you're flying and take it towards the mask shop, and all you want to do is jump out the vehicle like you just saw me do, and pretty much you just want to line yourself up with the mask shop, which is going to be right in front of you, okay? And that's pretty much what you want to do. So line yourself up. You see like the where the red is, like on the building right in front of me. Pretty much you want to slam right into any of these like mask shop and shirt section, right? So I'm about to do that. Once you land, spam right D-pad, keep on walking towards it, and as you can see, I did end up failing this part. I did fail it a few times for this first duffel bag right here, so I'm gonna go and redo it. So if you do end up failing like just I did, pretty much get back onto your oppressor, deluxe, or whatever that can fly, and redo the step, right? So yeah, I'm doing it again. It did take me a few tries. I think it took me like at least 5 tries until I did end up getting it. But yeah, I don't know why, but the mask part does not work. So try and land on the left side a bit of the store, so like where the t-shirts are. Land where I'm about to land, okay? Basically do what I'm about to do, land where I'm about to land. So I'm about to land right now. This is like the part where I do end up getting correctly, okay? So I'm about to go ahead and land right on the t-shirts just like this, and once you land, keep on spamming right D-pad, right? Keep on spamming right D-pad while walking towards it, and if you did it correctly, you should like be on the coin store right here. And all you want to do now is go ahead and save the outfit. So I named the duffel bag right here blue red duffel bag, so there we go. Now once you have saved it, back out the menu, come over here to your interaction menu, come over to style, and all you want to do is go and put the outfit you just saved, right? So whatever you named that outfit as, go to your interaction menu, style, and go put the outfit on, and then you should be able to get the duffel bag they just saved. So basically it's that simple, alright? And as I said earlier, if you don't have the requirements, you can always find like a friend or a random person to help you out with this glitch right here. So now I'll be showing you guys the second duffel bag with the new Tuners DLC. Now for the second duffel bag, all you want to do is head over to your auto shop and come over to the contract board right here, and all you want to do is go and start the contract that's called the bank contracts. And once you've like started up, come over here to your like setups, and you want to start the one that's called the thermal charges, right? Now if you don't have the job that's called the bank contract, just keep on doing other contracts until you go ahead and finally get the bank contract if you don't have it already. But once you've started the job up, all you really want to do is pretty much just go over to the location that they tell you. For me it's called Grapeseed, so I have to head over to that location. But yeah, once you're over there, pretty much all you want to do is go ahead and shoot everybody up, which I'm doing right now with my Mark II. Now you don't have to do this. If you want to be quick with it, you can legit just, if you have like a Mark II presser, literally just like go down to the duffel bag, pick it up with your Mark II presser, and just fly out. You don't got to do all this like blowing everything up and all that. But yeah, or you can be slow like me, shoot everyone up and then like run for the duffel bag and all that. When you can pretty much just like go on, like take your like Mark II presser, hover over the duffel bag, and you should pick it up automatically that way. Much quicker that way. I highly recommend for you to do it that way. But yeah, once you like picked up the duffel bag, head over to your auto shop, and pretty much you just want to lose the cops, which I'm waiting. There we go. I just got the cops off me, and all you want to do now is pretty much do the same exact thing I showed you for the first duffel bag. So all you really want to do is go ahead and like fly high enough distance, jump out your Mark II presser or whichever vehicle you're using to fly. Jump out and open up your parachute, and all you want to do is land right on the yellow circle for your auto shop, pretty much. If you're on Xbox, use your LB and RB, and if you're PlayStation, I'm not sure the buttons, but it's the button that's on top of your like aim in and your trigger button. So basically the buttons on top of those, and you just want to go and land on the yellow circle, and my character just got folded right there like crazy. But yeah, if you did it correctly, you should land on the yellow circle, and then you should like go straight inside of there, okay? Now once you're inside of your auto shop, pretty much if you haven't done like the first duffel bag already, pretty much head over to the gun store and basically do the first step for the first duffel bag, which I showed you earlier in the video. Pretty much do that. But if you have already done like the first duffel bag and you have gotten it, pretty much just go ahead and put on your parachute and head over to the mask shop, alright? And pretty much do the same exact steps like for the first like duffel bag. Pretty much you just want to like get into your oppressor Mark II or a flying vehicle, jump out of it, land on the mask shop as closely as possible by landing on like the t-shirt or like the hat part, just like I do right here. And once you land, keep on spamming the right D-pad, which I'm about to do. And once you do it correctly, you should be able to like save the outfit. Pretty much just do that. I'm gonna go and save this outfit, call it blue camo duffel. So here we go, duffel, there we go. So once you have saved the outfit to how you saved it out, pretty much all you want to do is back out of the store. Once you have backed out, pretty much come over to interaction menu, come over to style, and go ahead and put the outfit on that you named it. As for me, I called it blue camo, and there you go. So on to the next duffel bag. Now the next duffel bag I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video, it is going to be the green camo. To start off, head over to your auto shop, come over to your contract board, and start up the agency deal, which is this one right here. Now if you don't own an auto shop, as I said, you can always find a friend or random person or even someone from the comments by dropping your gamer tags down below and just help each other out. But once you start up, all you want to do is go ahead and complete the first two setups. We don't care about the first two setups, go ahead and complete them. And once you complete them, come back to the video, and all you want to do is go ahead and start up the last one, which is called the raid. Now once you start up, all you want to do is go ahead and just like start up, or you can invite someone else into the job if they also want a duffel bag. But for me, I'm going to be doing it solo since I'm recording a video, and do the same exact thing for your car. Don't like pick out any car, just go straight into the job, right? Because we're going to be backing out the job either way, alright? Now once you're in the job, all you want to do is head over to the sidewalk because you don't want to get hit by any vehicle. And let me just go and accept your phone call real quick. I gotta wait for it. Alright, there you go. Now open up your interaction menu, come over to style, and all you want to do once you're in style, go all this at end for illuminate clothing, and keep on switching this for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now count actual seconds like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, and not like them crazy top seconds like 1 to 5, like don't count those, right? Once you finish counting for 15 to 20 seconds, all you want to do is back out through your phone just like this, and yeah. Now once you're back in the game, all you want to do, you should see the duffel bag right here. As you can see, this is an online session. Once you're here in the game with the duffel bag, pretty much go ahead and call up a vehicle that can fly. For me, I'm going to go and call up my Mark II oppressor. But for you, if you don't have a Mark II oppressor, you can always find, like, call up your Deluxo, your helicopter, a jetpack, whatever that can fly, call it up. It could even a scramjet you can call up, or like a vigilante if you can somehow fly it up straight in the air. But yeah, once you have your flying vehicle, all you want to do is head over to the mask shop at the beach, right? Now once you're here at the mask shop area, all you want to do is fly a high enough distance, same high distance I am flying up. So all you want to do once you're like high enough, jump out your vehicle that flies, and all you want to do is open up your parachute, and pretty much you want to like slam right into the mask shop, right? And let me just loop around because I was too high right there. There we go. So this should be good. Now, if you're on Xbox, use your LB and RB buttons to slow yourself down. And if you're on PlayStation, hold the buttons that are right above your aim and shooting buttons, right? And as you guys can see, I did end up failing it. If you did mess up like me, all you want to do is get back into your flying vehicle and keep on repeating it, because I did fail that one. I've done the glitch so many times, and I don't know why I kept on messing it up so many times on this part, but yeah. So here goes, this is the part where I do get it. So here we go, I'm about to land. Once you land, keep on spamming right D-pad, right? Once you land, just keep on spamming right D-pad, and if you did it correctly, you should go into the store just like this. And all you want to do now is go ahead and save the outfit, and I'm going to go ahead and call this here green camo. There you go. You know, I'm gonna call it green camo duff. There we go. Now once you have saved the outfit, back out of the store, and all you want to do now is come over to your styles and go ahead and put the outfit that you named it as, right? For me, I called the green camo, and there it is. You now have the green camo duffel bag just like that. So if this one here did work, you can go ahead and comment down below so other people that watch the video know it still works, and on to the next one. Now to start off with the next duffel bag, it is gonna be the tan camo duffel bag. To start off, head over to your auto shop, and once you're in your auto shop, start up the data contract, which is this one right here. So start it up. Now once you go ahead and start up, you should have these two setups, and all you want to do is go ahead and complete them, right? Just go and complete them. All we want is the last one, which is called the robbery, okay? So start that one up and go into the job. Now once you're in the job, all you want to do is get out of your vehicle and head over to the sidewalk so you don't get hit by a vehicle. But once you're here, come over to your styles, and all you want to do is come over to illuminated clothing and keep on switching it for about 15 to 20 seconds. So count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and etc. So there you go. Once I've finished counting, all you want to do is pull out your phone and go ahead and quit the job. Now once you're in the session, all you want to do is go ahead and call up one of your vehicles that can fly. I'm about to call up my Mark II oppressor. I'm just going to get rid of this vehicle. I got it from my MC startup. But yeah, but once every flying vehicle, head over to the mask shop for the next step. Now once you arrive here at the mask shop area, all you want to do is fly a high enough distance just like I am, and pretty much go ahead and jump out of your Mark II oppressor or whichever vehicle you're using to fly, and open up your parachute. And if you're on Xbox, use your LB and RB to go ahead and slow down your descent. And if you're on PlayStation, if you know your aim and right trigger, like the shooting trigger, that one, the two buttons right above those, use those to go and slow down your descent. And once you land, go ahead and spam right D-pad. I don't have a PlayStation, so I don't know, but those two buttons are above you, right? But once you go ahead and land and spam right D-pad, go ahead and now save the outfit just like this. I'm gonna go and call it tan camo. There we go. And now we have the tan camo duffel bag just like that. So let me go and put it on real quick for you guys. So come to style and go ahead and put on the outfit that you named it as. For me, I call it tan camo duffel. And there we go. I now have the duffel bag just like this. If you did all of the duffel bags I showed you in today's video so far, you should have 4. You should have the green camo, the tan camo, the red and blue, and the blue digital. So on to the next duffel bag. Now the last and final duffel bag I'm going to be showing, I don't even know what color or camo this is, but this is how it looks like right here. But to start off, head over to your auto shop and start the super dollar deal. And once you start off, all you want to do is go ahead and complete the first 2 setups, right? So go and complete those. And once you complete them, pretty much start the last one, which is called the robbery. I don't know why, but all of these contracts here have like the final one's called the robbery as its name. But yeah, once you're here, just start up the contracts. So once you're back in the game, let me get a headshot on it real quick. Ah, there you go, got the headshot. But once you're back in the game, all you want to do is open up your interaction menu, come over to style right over here, and head over to illuminate clothing, which is going to be at the very end of style, and keep on switching this here for about 15 to 20 seconds using the Mississippi. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and etc. Alright. Now once you finish counting, all you want to do is back out the interaction menu and pull up your phone. Hold up, it's dialing her number real quick. I gotta wait for this. You know, I'll just open up interaction. I'm gonna pause a minute. Alright, there you go. Once you finish counting, all you want to do is go ahead and quit the job just like I did, and you should load back into a session. Now once you're back in the game, all you want to do is go ahead and call up a flying vehicle. For me, I'm going to go and call up my Mark II Oppressor, but for you, you can go and call up any vehicle you want. Now if you are low level and you can't afford a helicopter, call up Merriweather, or Merriweather, and just request a helicopter, and then you can get a helicopter that way, or go to a helipad if you're like can't afford a helicopter or anything else that does fly. But once you're here at the mask shop, all you want to do is fly high enough distance, jump like I did, and pretty much go ahead and try to slam right into the mask shop. Now I am pretty high up, so I'm gonna go and do a loop around real quick. And if you do want to slow down like I'm slowing down, if you're on Xbox, go ahead and use your LB and RB, and on PlayStation, go ahead and use your, I think it's L1, R1. I'm not 100% sure, but use those buttons. They're like the bumper buttons, right? But yeah, once you're here, just slam right into the mask shop just like I did, and once you land, just keep on spamming my D-pad, keep on spamming it, and if you did it correctly, you should go into the store just like this. And all you want to do now is go ahead and save the duffel bag. So I'm going to go and call this here yellow green camo. Alright, there you go. Now once you have saved it, pretty much go ahead and back out of the store, come on to your styles, and go and put the outfit that you named it as. So for me, I call the yellow green camo, and there we go. You now have the duffel bag just like that. So if this glitch here did end up working for you and you did end up getting all of the duffel bags in today's video, can you go ahead and comment it down below so new people that watch the video can know that the glitch still works, and they can go ahead and try it out and get all of the new duffel bags in GTA 5 Online. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe button with notifications on to never miss out on a future video. And if you can go ahead and do me a quick favor and drop a like for the YouTube algorithm so YouTube pushes out to more people and more people can get these dope duffel bags in GTA 5 Online. And TiimeDesign signing out. Peace.